to ask me my non-strict boss hypothetical questions. Okay, you ready? What would you do if we ordered 15,000 of these instead of 1,500? I'd have to check with accounting and see if we have the money. Okay. And another accounting question. What would you do if I used the company card to furnish my home office? It better be better than mine. Fair, fair. And then what would you do if I didn't show up to a job and didn't call you to let you know beforehand? I may have to go do it myself. Okay. Fine. Steal my dog? That's fine. That's fine. What would you do if you found out we sent an email blast with this picture we have of you? Please. I got the picture. At least people know I'm working. Alright, alright. Good to know. Now, what would you do if I drove the forklift without your permission and training and crashed it? I guess I checked to see if you're alright. Wow, that's so nice. Wow, wow. Now, what would you do if I got us into a TikTok feud with another creator? You know what that is? Yes, yes. I'm trying to think of how to respond to that. So, because I just want to say, go get him. Go get him. Oh, yeah. What would you do if I got you canceled as well? I may have to cancel you. Oh,